Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be shopping because I have to go somewhere next weekend and I need an outfit for that. Also, I have a thing I need to return to Zara, so we're going to definitely go to Zara. That's like number one on my list. But we need to find an outfit, so you're coming with me so we can find me an outfit so we can be
snatched, feel good, feel powerful, feel sexy.
Got the whole day off so we can be in town all day. Yeah, so the main goal is to find me an outfit for that event on the weekend, and basically it just sounds like fun for me. I hope this video will be entertaining. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and my social media will be in the description down below, so don't forget to follow. Basically that's it. That is it. Oh my god, I'm literally trying to lose weight. I'm still like bloated from Christmas and it's like a month later. Like my chin is no joke. So outfit of the day, just quickly, I know a bit random, but I'm wearing a Pull and Bear Tkmaxx sweater with a black drop crotch trousers and a belt from Primark. So excuse the shampoos, but excuse the halo as well, but that's the outfit. This definitely needs ironing, but I mean, do people iron still these days? Not much in the store, so I only got like 3 items here to try on, but I actually like this. It's a blazer, just a plain black simple blazer, but it's more structured. So let's check the price tag. From 17 to 20, I mean, that is a bargain. I like that. It just squeezes you in. It's so tight and structured. I might take it. I don't know if I'm. It's £25 still for a turtleneck, but it's so structured. With the black blazer would be nice, and then maybe like colourful trousers with black shoes. This is an outfit with these shoes and everything. Look at that. Structured black. I don't know what to do. Should I get it? I already found my outfit in one shop in Zara, which I knew that's gonna happen, but I didn't know it was gonna happen this fast. So we're just gonna look for accessories now in Cabot Circus, but I have my outfit. I have a plan. I have an idea, so I'll show you that when we get back home, but I got my outfit for £35. I got a really big sale though. So I actually like this one, but it's gold. It doesn't match with the vibe, so we're not going to take that one. However, there's a lot of jewelry. Oh, how cute is that? We work together, but sparkles. So I got everything. I actually got full outfit now. I'm just trying to find a quiet spot because it's quite busy, but I got a full outfit now. That was really fast, but because I don't want this video to be boring, we're going to go to Harvey Nichols, try on shoes. I'm still looking for shoes. I just realised that bracelet that I bought was a choker, and I'd actually paid when I realised. So I've got a sparkly choker, I guess. Some fun. Look around, and then I'll show you what I bought. But first, I need to go to the toilet, so let's do that. Let's go to Harvey Nichols. I love how everything smells and looks in here. It is just so expensive and luxurious. I mean, just look at this woman. Christian Louboutin, and if I had the money, I would buy it every week. I mean, just look at this heel. I love. Some of these are cute. I like it. It's so empty in here. I'm the only customer here, so I don't really want to try on stuff and not buy it. I still don't have higher quotes for that, but oh, look at this lift. Stunning. But yeah, I'm literally the only customer in the whole store right now, and I don't want to try shoes and everything on that I'm not gonna buy. But they have beautiful stuff. Like, I'm even scared to record here because people are staring. Let's just have fun now. Let's go. I need to go to the toilet. In shoe paradise. Let's find. Our way home now. We spent a lot of money today in like 5 minutes, so it's time to go home. So I am back home. So I'm back, and it's whole time I didn't end up buying a lot of stuff, but I am surprised how fast I bought my outfit. I thought it's gonna be like a whole day. I thought it's gonna take forever. I thought until I find the perfect thing, it's gonna take like maybe another trip the next day. However, I managed to get everything 2 shops. Yeah, 2 shops. But instead of a bracelet, I bought a choker by accident. I didn't know it was a choker. I didn't read it. It just looked like a bracelet. So I guess I now have a choker, which I didn't try, which I'll try when coming out. Here's my shopping. Here's my bag. I just put everything into one bag because I didn't want to carry a lot of bags. Like this video if you do the same thing. But yeah, the first thing that I bought was the outfit from Zara, which was this blazer. Now this is just a black, thick, well-structured blazer actually. This fits really well. It's got shoulder pads, a bit thicker, so it just heightens up those shoulders. Now I wanted a blazer for a year now, but everywhere I tried a blazer, they just didn't fit right. It was always a bit too loose or too tight, or it just didn't fit right. Now I saw this one in Zara, and I just thought I'm just going to try it on for fun, why not? Ended up buying it. It's $69.99 and I paid $19.99. God, I'm literally like the worst person to start a YouTube channel. Anywho, so that's the blazer, so I'm happy for that. Now I went mock necks all the time. As you can see, I have one on right now, probably in every video. However, I have my favorite mock neck jumper from H&M. I got like 3 years ago. I wear it all the time. It doesn't fit that well anymore. It's a bit too loose on the top and too loose on the cuffs. There we go, cuffs. It's a bit too loose on the cuffs. And I bought another black turtleneck in a charity shop actually. I think it was maybe a year ago, maybe less. I'll link the video actually at the end of this video or in the description down below. It's actually a fun video, just me going charity shopping in Bristol because it's very popular here. But I got that zip mock neck sweater, and I can't wear that anymore. It just looks too worn, if you know what I mean. You know when the fabric starts going weird, it just doesn't look right, it doesn't look sleek. So I ended up picking one from Zara. Now it is so dark that you can't, it's ribbed and it's very structured. Now I've never tried a turtleneck sweater like this. It actually, the shoulders are, imagine if you're wearing a tank top and then you attach sleeves to that. So you make the sleeves, you create the sleeves around the tank top. That's how it's made. So that allows like the chubs here to just kind of smooth out. It allows the chest and everything just to be smoothed out. It's like spandex. It kind of sucks you in and creates an illusion of muscles, even though it's just Christmas chubs, as we discussed in the intro. Now this mock neck was $25.99. I think it's a bit too much for just like a mock neck sweater. Like there's nothing to it, but again, it is created in a way to give illusion, like it's really structured, so I didn't mind paying that. So that is item number 2. Now everything is all black, but don't worry, the day I go to that event, I got a plan, I got it in my mind, and ever since I seen these shoes that I actually bought in Tkmaxx, they went down from £55 to 16, so I saved, anyways, I saved money basically. I got a belt on right now, exactly like these shoes. So I think it's going to be like a nice detail. Now, I don't know how I feel about this. Obviously, it says choker right there. Somewhere it's too bright you can't see. Again, worst person to start a YouTube channel. But I didn't notice this sign here. I thought it's a bracelet because, come on, does not look like a bracelet. Anyways, I'm actually going to try this on. I just decided to move to a white background just so you can see it. But again, it's not showing up. So basically, just imagine a black rib turtleneck. Imagine you can see it. Obviously, my hands will do nothing, so I actually look drunk. Why? Let's try this on. I'm going to take the blazer off for a second because it's too hot in here. But let's try the... How does it even work? So this was such a struggle to put on. Oh my god. It is... I think it's small, or my neck is just too big. But it's actually not bad. So this is how it looks. Sparkles, sparkles. But yeah, I don't know how I feel. I feel like it's strangling me a bit too much. I don't know, but I'm not mad at it. But basically the vision I have is, I'm just gonna give a hint, it's yellow, but it's got something, I'm gonna put something on top of this, and that's basically gonna be my outfit. Now for my hair, I really wanna do like a vintage wave. I just got the whole look in my mind. I just need to kind of do it and play around to see what suits me because I'm a sweet potato. Anyway, so this is it. Basically, I'm just going to show you the shoes now and then we can end the video. So let me actually take this off because I can't actually breathe. I'm saying I need to buy shoes basically that make my foot a bit smaller because I am short. But these are not bad. They fit really well actually. So I'm excited about that. I do have a really gothic style when it comes to shoes, so hit like if same. Hit like if same. Anyways, I'm gonna finish it here. I hope this video wasn't boring. I hope this was entertaining or somewhat at least a little bit fun. But yeah, from my shoes to your shoes, I'm sending love. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Follow me on my Instagram. It will be in the description down below, also at the end of this video. And yeah, don't forget to watch others of my videos and leave a comment down below if there's anything you would like me to see. If there's anything you'd like to see me do or try or review, I'm so down, just let me know. And that's about it, yeah. So again, thank you for watching.